yesterday was Thanksgiving. It's November 24th.
We're gonna be trying Kitcat with lemon and ketchup.
And these, our grandmother made this.
Yeah, our grandmother made this. They're good.
Yesterday, they're good.
Mm.
Oh, good. Oh, I read the line. Where's the line?
Kitcats, you can get them anywhere. Not even cheesy burger.
Wait, what else? Sriracha?
No, we're doing ketchup.
Oh, yeah, ketchup. Oh, here's the real line. This is the real line. That's not
I put lemon.
slime.
Our grandma is a very good cake maker, artist, and I said ketchup. Well, we could do mustard too, but it's just gonna be gross.
Ketchup.
And you. Well, Miss Wood said, yep. I'm sorry, viewers, this is gonna be disgusting. We're probably not gonna get a lot of views because it can be so disgusting.
Hopefully we do.
Okay, we need to go get a plate. Oh. I don't know what this is. I see chocolate with mustard and lime. From literally hearing that I'm doing this, it makes me disgust out. I'm sorry. Oh, sorry.
Sorry, viewers.
We just got the
We got a phone, not a tablet.
little phone. I don't know if you can see me. Can you guys see me?
Okay, let me go check, viewers. Yeah, I guess it could see your mouth.
Okay.
Now I can see you.
I'm gonna be putting that in here.
I don't know if you can see me, viewers, but
Kitcat. I need to take a little nibble out of it.
oh, come on. Me too, fine.
Okay.
Here goes the line.
Oh!
More?
Ah!
Oh,
Oh, it already smells disgusting, and I haven't even put the mustard on it.
I did a whole drig drag.
Drag drag?
No, line. Whatever, drig drag.
What?
I named it a drig drag. What?
Well, this smells like coronavirus.
What?
Ah!
I want to
Oh, this isn't mustard? This is applesauce. No, it's mustard.
I already tasted.
But what is this? Like water mustard? Ooh.
Can I have it?
Oh, it smells like I'm about to eat a metal pole.
Yeah. okay, viewers. Bon appetit. I might die today.
Wait from me.
I'm scared
to do this.
I'm shaking. Okay,
Bon
three.
Bon
appetit.
2, 1. Bon appetit. I can't even taste the Kitcat.
Me either.
Oh, I feel like I just ate diarrhea.
Me too.
Well, that's disgusting.
Yeah. Good. Not good. Yeah. Owie, you hurt me. Alright. Gonna put this away.
I just need one more of these.
Oh, you did.
Yeah, so my grandma's a very good artist. She's a good cake maker. She's just like good at everything. Not mine.
That one's mine.
Get your own. I'm a turkey alien ship.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Beep, 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 beep. Beep.
We need to show this video to Grandma.
You.
Yeah. Yeah.
Grandma, you're the best.
If you're in this video right now.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Sorry you can't see any of us right now, but bye.